Welcome to this complete Calgary, Canada guide. Calgary, a city where the grandeur of the Rocky Mountains meets the heart of the Wild West. Known for its captivating landscapes that will leave you breathless, bustling city life that never sleeps, and a rich history that takes you back to the time of cowboys and oil barons. It's a city that's always ready to surprise you, so buckle up as today we are exploring the top 13 things to do in Calgary. To kick things off, we head to the iconic Calgary Tower. Towering over the city since 1968, this architectural marvel stands at an impressive 191 meters. The tower's observation deck offers panoramic views of Calgary's skyline, the Rocky Mountains, and even the prairies. Its structure, an engineering masterpiece, is a testament to the city's vibrant history and growth. From the top, you can see the entire city sprawled out beneath you, a sight that's truly unforgettable. Next, we time travel to the Heritage Park Historical Village. This living history museum is a gem nestled in the heart of Calgary. It's a place where the past comes alive, not in dusty exhibits, but in vibrant, bustling streets. At Heritage Park, you'll find over 200 exhibits, all meticulously restored and maintained. These include an old schoolhouse, a historic hotel, and even a fully operational steam train. Each building is a piece of a jigsaw puzzle coming together to form a vivid picture of life in Western Canada from the late 1800s to the 1950s. And don't be surprised if you come across costumed interpreters going about their daily tasks as if they've stepped right out of the pages of a history book. They're more than happy to share tales of yesteryears, making your visit not just a visual treat but an engaging and interactive experience. A trip here is like stepping back in time, immersing you in Canada's rich history. Now get ready for some real cowboy action at the Calgary Stampede. This grand event, known as the greatest outdoor show on earth, has been a beloved part of Calgary's culture since the early 20th century. It's a 10-day celebration of all things Western occurring every July. The Stampede's history is steeped in cowboy culture and the spirit of the Old West. It began as an agricultural fair and rodeo, but over the years it has grown into a city-wide celebration that attracts visitors from all over the globe. The heart of the Stampede is the rodeo, where cowboys and cowgirls compete in events like bull riding, barrel racing, and steer wrestling. But it's not all dust and adrenaline. The Stampede also features a carnival, a parade, concerts, and an international fireworks competition. The atmosphere is one of infectious joy, a testament to Calgary's community spirit. People dress up in their finest Western wear, and the city comes alive with music, laughter, and the clatter of cowboy boots. Don't forget your cowboy hat, because at the Stampede, everyone's a cowboy. From the Wild West, we move to the serene Prince's Island Park. An oasis of tranquility in the heart of bustling Calgary, this park offers a refreshing contrast with its verdant trails and picturesque picnic spots. Imagine yourself meandering along the winding paths, the rustle of leaves underfoot and the soft chirping of birds overhead. Or perhaps you'd enjoy a leisurely picnic surrounded by the vibrancy of nature. It's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll or a picnic with your loved ones. Next, we delve into art and history at the Glenbow Museum. A cultural cornerstone of Calgary, the Glenbow Museum is a treasure trove of fascinating artifacts and art pieces, offering a unique perspective into Western Canadian history. The museum's collections span from Indigenous culture to military history, and from contemporary art to mineralogy. Its dynamic exhibitions are ever-changing, ensuring there's always something new to discover. The Glenbow Museum plays a significant role in Calgary's cultural scene, serving as a hub for community engagement and intellectual exploration. Its commitment to making art and culture accessible to the public is truly commendable. Whether you're an art buff or a history lover, this museum has something for everyone. Let's venture into the wild at Fish Creek Provincial Park. This sprawling oasis, nestled within Calgary's urban landscape, boasts a network of trails that crisscross through aspen forests and prairie grasslands. Whether on foot, bicycle, or horseback, these trails offer a captivating journey through the park's diverse habitats. Don't forget to keep your eyes peeled for the park's vibrant wildlife. You might just catch a glimpse of white-tailed deer prancing through the woods or hear the melodic chirping of songbirds. The park's natural beauty is nothing short of breathtaking, from its tranquil creek to the kaleidoscope of wildflowers that bloom in the spring. It's a haven for nature lovers right in the heart of the city. Next, we have a date with some fascinating creatures at the Calgary Zoo. This isn't your average zoo, it's a journey through diverse habitats from around the globe. From the chilly peaks of the Rocky Mountain aviary to the humid rainforests of Transalta rainforest, it's an adventure like no other. The zoo puts a strong emphasis on conservation, working tirelessly to protect endangered species. It's not just about observing, but learning and understanding the importance of these animals and their habitats. You'll encounter majestic elephants, playful penguins, and even the elusive snow leopard, not to mention the prehistoric park where dinosaurs still roam, well, sort of. So, strap on your explorer's hat and get ready to meet some of the world's most incredible animals. It's a wild adventure that both kids and adults will absolutely love. From wildlife, we move to the captivating world of theatre at Theatre Calgary, a cornerstone of Calgary's performing arts scene. Theatre Calgary has been delighting audiences since the late 60s. It's a place where creativity flourishes and stories come alive with a diverse roster of shows that cater to all tastes. From Shakespearean classics to contemporary Canadian productions, there's something for everyone. Theatre Calgary is more than just a venue, it's a vibrant community hub. It's a testament to Calgary's vibrant art scene and a must-visit for theatre lovers. Next we head to the tranquil Nose Hill Park. This urban oasis is a treasure trove of winding trails, perfect for a leisurely stroll or an invigorating run. Gaze upon the panoramic views of Calgary's skyline from atop the park's rolling hills. This green lung of the city serves as a crucial habitat for wildlife and a serene retreat for city dwellers. It's this blend of natural beauty and urban convenience that makes Nose Hill Park a must-visit. It's the perfect place to escape the city's hustle and bustle. From tranquility, we move to the rhythm of music at the National Music Centre. This is where Canada's melodious heartbeat resonates, a space that celebrates the power of music and its role in shaping our world. The centre's exhibits are a symphony of immersive experiences showcasing everything from the evolution of musical instruments to the stories of Canada's music legends. It's not just a museum, but a vibrant performance venue, an educational hub, and a platform for budding talents to shine. Its mission: to inspire discovery and foster a deep appreciation of music across genres, across generations. This centre is a testament to Canada's rich musical tapestry, a place where past meets present and the future of music is shaped. For music lovers, this place is nothing short of paradise. Next, we stroll along the historic Stephen Avenue Walk. A cornerstone of Calgary's downtown since the late 19th century, this walkway is a lively blend of culture and commerce. It's home to a myriad of shops that sell everything from souvenirs to high-end fashion. You'll find restaurants serving up delectable dishes that cater to every palate. Stephen Avenue Walk isn't just a place to shop and dine, it's a place to immerse yourself in Calgary's vibrant life. It's the perfect place to shop, dine, or simply soak in the city's vibe. From shopping, we move to a journey through Canada's military history at the military museums. This expansive venue houses a fascinating collection, providing a deep dive into the nation's military past. From the Army, Navy and Air Force to the Princess Patricia's Canadian Light Infantry, the museums offer a comprehensive look at Canada's involvement in global conflicts. Visitors can expect a moving, informative experience rich in historical detail. It's a poignant reminder of Canada's military past and a must-visit for history buffs. Finally, we cap off our Calgary journey with a day trip to Banff National Park. Just an hour-and-a-half drive from Calgary, Banff is a world-renowned natural wonder that's a must-visit. It's like stepping into a postcard with crystal-clear lakes reflecting the towering Rockies, verdant forests and snow-capped peaks that seem to touch the sky. The park boasts over 1,600 kilometers of trails, each one offering a unique perspective of the park's stunning landscapes. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual walker, there's a trail just for you. And let's not forget the wildlife. From majestic elk to playful squirrels, Banff is a haven for nature lovers. So pack a picnic, strap on your hiking boots and immerse yourself in the serenity of Banff National Park. It's the perfect ending to your Calgary adventure, offering unparalleled natural beauty. And there you have it, our top 13 things to do in Calgary. From the dizzying heights of the Calgary Tower to the historical charm of Heritage Park. From the wild expanse of Fish Creek Provincial Park to the cultural treasures of the Glenbow Museum. From the lively streets of Stephen Avenue Walk to the serene beauty of Banff National Park. Each experience unique, each one a testament to Calgary's rich tapestry of attractions. So, when are you planning your Calgary adventure?